Long time no detailed video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I installed and styled this Pixie cut wig from the scratch, and it's a very detailed video. If this is something you're interested in, please make sure that you subscribe and watch to the end. First things first is to tint the lace to the color of my model and then proceed in cutting the ear laps. This is a factory made pixie cut, aka wig tiwa. So I'll be installing this hair today and you'll be seeing all the details about it. And make sure I use a comb to part out the ear side and then cut it out. And the second thing I will be doing is to sew the wig on her head. Please kindly watch and see where I am sewing it. I am sewing it from the ear, go through the crown, and then all the way through the other part of the ear. This is how I am sewing it. As you can see how I am sewing it, this helps to make the installation last one. It also helps to keep the installation in place when installing it, because I like customizing my wigs before applying glue. Okay, so this helps to keep everything in place before applying the glue. So this is me applying the glue, and this is the glue I am using. The name of the glue is I've forgotten. BMC. Yeah, I think BMC. I've really forgotten the name of this glue, but it looks like super glue, but it's very, very active. So I applied up to 3 coats of the glue. Then the first coat I will allow it dry, then apply the next coat, and then make sure that everything is laid properly. This is me laying the frontal on her head. If you notice, this frontal, the middle is cut into 2. That is where I got the middle. Like, you make sure that you get the middle of the frontal before placing it. So after that, I'll now use this method to brush it out. This also helps in flattening, like melting the lace to the glue. That's what it means. So while doing that, one of my students is using hand dryer to dry the glue, and then I melt it with a melting band. After melting it, I then proceed to pluck the hair. Plucking is very essential when it comes to installation. But if you notice, in this installation or this particular hair, I didn't pluck much the way I do pluck in some certain hairs, because of the style we are going for. I didn't want it to be so scanty. So I just plucked minimal and then proceed in going to other things. After I must have plucked to my desired volume, I proceeded to cut the lace. Okay, so I used a small scissors called a frontal scissors to cut it in a zigzag form. I didn't cut all straight, I just did a zigzag way. If you're seeing this, you'll see how melted the lace is already, even without doing other things yet. So what's the secret here? The secret here is the lace tint. Okay, if you use a lace tint that is the actual color of the person or your customer, you will see that you will give a very good result. Then after cutting the lace, now you pull the hair backwards. Anywhere that lifts, you now apply another set of glue. You apply glue, just if you apply glue like 3 times before when installing, you also apply 3 coats when doing this. You call it filling of glue. Then after that, you also dry the glue and allow it to get tacky, then proceed to now melt the lace. I want to also use this opportunity to tell you that we've started accepting students for the year 2026 into our academy. Okay, so do well to register with us, and trust me, you won't regret it. Okay, so after the glue application, you now melt with a melting band. Okay, so we are done melting and it's time to remove the band. So this is me trying to bring out the band without lifting it up myself, so that it won't leave white residues on the hair. So we are now going to styling. Like I was saying, we have started taking in students at Lorenzi Beauty Empire. I'll be dropping the link of my Facebook, my Instagram, and my TikTok account on the description box. You can click there to chat me up for more details for the class. We have 2 classes for the year. We have our advanced class starting on February 23rd, which is 200,000. Our advanced class is mainly on machine wigging, hair installation, and bridal pre-style glueless. Then we also have our beginners class, which is for 8 months, which consists of ventilating, braiding, braided wigs, installation, revamping, bridal pre-style, and what again? I think that's all. Then our bonus classes are is how to edit. Yes, you know, the internet now is bustling, so if you know you are not on the internet right now, you should start creating content. So bonus class is to teach you how to edit using CapCut and other editing apps. Then I think that's all. So the beginners class is for 8 months. The reason for that is so that you stay with us for a long time. Since you're a beginner, you're just starting this way of life. You're just starting, so we want to coach you, be with you for at least 8 months. You practice, you know. So but our advanced class is just 2 months. These are for people that just want to upgrade their skills in hairstyling. All right, so please, I will drop a number too on the description box, where you can also chat us about the details. All right, and please, if you're not subscribed to our channel, if you're new here, if this is your first time of coming by here, please make sure that you subscribe. Please don't watch without going, and please also drop a comment on what you learned, on what you want me to do next, and also what you love about this hair.